Welcome back to our podcast. I'm thrilled to have you join us today as we dive into a topic that's incredibly important for everyone living in the UAE, updating your Emirates ID with First Abu Dhabi Bank, or FAB. Now, this might sound like a simple task, but trust me, it's crucial for maintaining your daily banking services without any hiccups. And let's be honest here, who doesn't appreciate smooth and seamless services in our bustling lives? Now, you might be wondering, why is the Emirates ID such a big deal? Well, it's more than just a card you carry in your wallet. It's your gateway to countless services throughout the UAE. From banking to healthcare, your Emirates ID is your ticket to accessing essential services. Keeping it updated is essential not just for convenience, but for the protection of your identity and finances as well. Imagine the stress and anxiety of dealing with identity theft, or worse yet, facing interruptions in your banking activities, all because your ID needs an update. By regularly refreshing your Emirates ID, you can avoid these potential headaches and keep your banking profile secure and intact. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty of why this update holds such importance. Banks like FAB require the most current information to facilitate your transactions. Whether you're withdrawing cash, applying for loans, or even just checking your account balance, having accurate data is key to those processes running smoothly. Keeping your Emirates ID current means significantly fewer service interruptions and, let's face it, hassle-free access to your accounts. It's something we all desire, especially in today's fast-paced environment. FAB provides a wide range of banking services, from savings accounts to personal loans, all of which necessitate an updated Emirates ID. So, if you're ready to embark on this updating journey, here's what you'll need to have on hand. Your original Emirates ID. Be sure not to bring any photocopies, as they won't be accepted. A filled-out application form with your accurate information. Take a moment to double-check it to avoid any mistakes. A clear copy of your passport for their records. This step helps streamline the process. It's important to note that only FB account holders can update their Emirates ID online. Plus, your ID must be either expired or close to expiring to initiate this process. And here's good news. Both residents and citizens can apply for this update. Now, let's talk about how to get this process rolling. First, you'll want to log into the FB online banking platform. Just a quick tip, always ensure you're using a secure connection when you do this. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Customer Service tab and select Update Emirates ID. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll upload your new Emirates ID and submit your request for processing. After you submit your update, keep your Emirates ID handy because FB will process your request shortly. You'll receive a confirmation once it's all taken care of. If you run into any login issues, take a moment to check for typos in your credentials or try resetting your password. And if problems persist, don't hesitate to reach out to FB customer support. They're there to help you out. Now, if for any reason your update doesn't go through, don't panic. Take a deep breath and make sure your Emirates ID is indeed current. It's also a good idea to check for any system maintenance notifications on FAB's website and ensure you have a stable internet connection while attempting the process. If you happen to see any error messages, jot them down to share with customer support later. Once you've submitted your update, log back into your FB account and check the profile section. Look for your new Emirates ID number. If it's there, congratulations! You've successfully completed the process. If it's not, or if you see an error even after 48 hours, it's time to contact FB customer support for assistance. In summary, updating your Emirates ID with FB is absolutely crucial for ensuring smooth banking services and secure financial transactions. Keeping your information current can save you from a world of inconvenience down the line. So, remember to follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to enjoying a hassle-free banking experience. Stay proactive and don't let those little details slip. Thanks for tuning in today, and we'll catch you next time. Stay safe and take care.